Guys, you will not believe what just happened. I cannot believe my eyes. Elon Musk, Tesla, and SPACEX are being sued for their alleged Dogecoin pyramid scheme. Seriously? Seriously? So yes, guys, it's real. Elon Musk, SpaceX, and Tesla were sued for $258 billion over claims that they are part of a racketeering scheme to back the cryptocurrency Dogecoin. Keith Johnson, an American citizen who was defrauded out of money by defendants, Dogecoin crypto scheme, sued Elon Musk and his companies, claiming they constitute an illegal racketeering enterprise to inflate Dogecoin's price. Quote, defendants falsely and deceptively claim that Dogecoin is a legitimate investment when it has no value whatsoever. End quote, or at all. Johnson said in his complaint filed Thursday in federal court in Manhattan. Johnson is seeking to represent a class of people who have lost money trading in Dogecoin since April of 2019, and he's asking for $86 billion in damages, plus triple damages of $172 billion, as well as an order blocking Elon Musk and the companies for promoting Dogecoin and declaring that Dogecoin trading constitutes gambling under US and New York law. Most likely the reason for this, as earlier described partially, is that Dogecoin was trading on Thursday at about 5 cents and is down about 67% this year, as it spiked all the way as high as 74 cents last year before giving up those gains. If you want to look up more regarding this entire case, here's actually the name of it all with the number: Johnson v. Musk 22 CV 05037 in the U.S. District Court of Southern District of New York. In honest talk, sometimes I wonder what it is to be a person like Elon Musk with such a huge amount of influence where people are suing you left and right just for the heck of it, just for fun. I mean, obviously he has a couple of people for it, so he most likely doesn't even notice it too much himself, except for hey, Musk, you just got sued again. We'll most likely win, but, you just got sued. And he's like, oh, what is it about today, huh? It still must be some sort of annoying pressure. The fact that some people are this... After just a couple of seconds, I could actually find everything. You can see here there's 26 pages and there's 2 pages. And again, for this one, I'm not sure exactly where to view the whole thing. I think I have to log in at that point. But it says here, the complaint filed by Evan Spencer Law, which is the law firm representing him, maybe then, because it is the same number, right? Accuses defendants of engaging in crypto pyramid scheme by manipulating the price on behalf of by themselves, family members, and friends by endorsing the coin on social media and garnering the support of other celebrities to boast the price, market cap, and trading volume of the coin. The suit further pursues civil RICO fraud, negligence, false advertising, deceptive practices, products liability, and unjust enrichment claims. Counsel have not yet appeared for the defendants, but that is a really interesting thing. It's of course taken social media by storm because it's rather funny. The fact that he's not the founder of it all, he's just a random market participant. And I'm not so sure what exactly you can hold him accountable for. For being a really excited investor? For being very wealthy and talking about it? For being very influential and talking about it? Where exactly did he go, quote unquote, wrong, really? It's hard to say for me. But yeah. I've been thinking about it for a little while. And even though I can't figure out, it's the US. So I guess, people like people like suing other people over there. And I guess you're not going to stop this type of stuff, right? It is what it is. Elon Musk, feel sorry for you, buddy. You're not the founder. You didn't really do too much wrong except for talking like crazy about Dogecoin. Then again, if this really pulls through, which I don't expect it to, I honestly think it's going to be shut down before noon. But if it really pursues and it goes on, I honestly think it's going to be kind of funny to see what exactly it's going to bring to the table to allege that Elon Musk is the actual scammer here. But if it goes really far and the judge takes it a little bit seriously, I'm not so sure what the procedures for that are going to be. It would be kind of funny to see how Elon actually defends himself. But let me know down below. Are you holding Dogecoin? Do you think this will actually hold up anywhere? I don't think so. I don't think this is going to hold up in court whatsoever. But hey, it's just some news, I guess, in the crypto space that's funny to cover. So I thought, hey, let me share it with you guys.